Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 24th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So a little bit of a slow day today, but it definitely did kind of drift down a little bit. Now, I think we are in a corrective pattern that is very likely going to go up to at least one of these higher Fibonacci levels. How exactly it's going to get there is a little bit questionable because the correction is a little unpredictable. You know, it can play out as an ABC, it can play out as a triangle, some sort of a flat, some sort of a wedge. If I had to guess, I think there's a good chance it's going to do this and then probably do this, and that would be your 1, 2, 3 wave pullback probably up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels. And then I still think there's a good chance that we are going to go up to maybe the 38, 50, 61, 78. I have no idea which one. I'm definitely leaning towards the 50 and the 61 because there's a lot of support and resistance right there as potentially being the end of a correction and potentially the continuation of the downtrend because we have to realize that the daily time frame and up is definitely still in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.